Alrighty, so I have spent a long time working with this cube. It's my dad's old Rubik's cube. It's old and rusty and not very good. Um, but I finally got it solved, and I've solved it probably 4 times now. And I mixed it up again, and I want to solve it on video for you to prove that I learned how to do it. And I'm gonna try and solve it in under 5 minutes. I got my timer right here. So um, I'm not gonna walk walk you through it or anything. I'm just gonna try and do it. So here we go. Starting my timer. No. Wait, and no. Alright, I got this plus sign here. I'm trying to get the corners in place now. Like here's my first corner in place. You see it's got the orange and the white and blue. I need the rest of the white corners in place. Alright, maybe there will be a little bit of walkthrough here. That's 2 of the corners. Three. Yeah, okay, I've done this many times now. This is the first side. You see how it's like this? This is the first whole layer done, like this layer right here. I'll get a bit of rest on that. This is the part where I'm trying to this is where I have a lot of trouble trying to do the middle layer. I messed up on this a lot. But like this is also where I came across the whole muscle memory thing. About it's easy to remember how to move your hands to get the pieces in the right place and just looking at a piece of paper and note telling and get mixed up. It comes a lot more naturally and lets you do it a lot quicker. I already look like I've been solving this in 3 years now. I've only done it like 4 times. 2 minutes and 17 seconds down, and now I've got the second layer done. Gotta make a plus on top, and you see I still got the middle layer on top. Now I got a plus right here, with some extras. And now this is the place I was talking about where it's like, this is the place I was talking about where it's like now the corners are in place, they're just not facing the right way. Honestly, the whole thing's healthy. And then the very first algorithm I ever figured out. So let me get through this. That and get the whole thing solved, and in 3 minutes and 30 seconds. So that's awesome. This morning I never thought I would be able to do it. So I gave myself a cue.